Once there was a bird that was born. That baby bird wanted to go around the world. The little bird spread its wings to fly, and the baby bird fell on Stella's head, and she barked. She barked until her owner, Emma, saw the baby bird and picked her up. Emma looked at the bird and thought,
I will take care of the baby bird.
so she did. A few months went by, and it was Halloween. Emma made a little costume for the bird, and the costume was Pikachu.
Bird, you look so cute.
Emma was Beautiful Belle, and they all went trick-or-treating.
Trick or treat.
The end.